So this is a setting of a poem by Rachel Korn that I worked on a few years ago and had workshopped by a few people at the Yiddish New York Festival. So I had some help in particular from Josh Waletsky and Daniel Kahn in putting this together. The melody isn't a Yiddish melody. I'm learning how to come up with Yiddish melodies. But when I worked on this in the workshop, everybody was saying this is so Irish, and I was like, oh, that's cool. I can deal with that. But I think it's a super beautiful poem, and the translation I worked on a little bit. So I based it on Ruth Whitman's translation, but changed it a little bit from that. Ich hab sich angetan heim zum ersten Mal nach 7 lange Jahren ein Kleid. I put on today